how to create a home improvement and renovation e-commerce website on Weebly. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the sign up button to create a new account. And if you already have an account, you just go with login and you type in your email or your username. As you can see in here, type in your email or your username. After typing your email, click on next to proceed to type in your password. So just give it a few seconds to load. And after typing your password, you click on login and you give it a few seconds to load. It will not take much. And here, this is a dashboard for a site I've created before. So I'm just going to click on this button and click on add site to show you how you can create your own site from scratch. So here the first step is choosing a name for the store or the site. So it doesn't matter what name you give it now, you can always change the name later. So after typing the name, you click on continue. Then you have a question and you have 3 answers. You choose the answer that fits you, and then you do the same with this other question. Then you proceed to choosing the category of the items that you will be selling. So my store is in the niche of home improvement and renovation, so I'm going to choose home and living. Then if you can't find your category in here or something close to it, you can just choose other, then click on continue. After that, if you already have a store in the real world, you type in the address of that store. If not, you just skip this step and then you give them a few seconds. Then you proceed to your dashboard, as you can see. So this is the dashboard, and here in your right you have the edit site button, which take you to the editing phase. Also the design now button, which does the same job as the edit site button. And here in your left you have 9 sections, and I'm going to go through each one of these sections and explain it for you, starting with website, where you have the edit site button again, and the domains button, where you can create or where you can set your new domain or change the domain that you already have. Then we have the items section, where you have the site items, where you can create new products or change the ones that you already have. Then we have the site categories, where you can create new categories for your products or just create categories to organize your store. Then you have options, coupons, and so on. And after that we have the orders section, where you can check all of your orders to see the fulfilled one, the shipped one, the cancelled one, and so on. Then you have the fulfillment section, where you can set your pickup settings, or if you want to set your shipping settings. Then we have the reports section, where you have the site's traffic reports, the site's activity reports, the sources reports, online sales reports, the site items reports, and so on. And if you want to see the reports of all these, if you want to see the summary of all these reports, just click on summary. Then we have the marketing section, where you can find every tool that is related to growing your audience, starting with email, automated ads, mailing lists, segments, and setup. And again, if you want to see the summary of all these reports, you just click on summary, and that's it for this section. Then we have the communications section, where you have the email and text alerts, pop-ups, messenger, and abandoned carts. And last but not least, we have the settings section, where you have the general settings, and it's basically where you can change your company name or your address, your email, or your phone number. So here, just wait for it to load, and we will be able to change all of the ones that I mentioned before. Here, as you can see, after it's loaded, here you will be able to change your company name, your address, your email, and your phone number. And then we have the checkout, where you can set your payment processors, like connecting your Stripe account or connecting your PayPal account, or changing your country and your currency. Then we have the sales taxes if you want to set your taxes, and also we have the tracking tools, and it's where you can set your tracking number or your tracking page. As you can see, your Google Analytics tracking, add the customer header code if you want, checkout tracking also. Then we have language and units, where you can change the site's language or edit your units. So just give it a few seconds to load, and then we will see how you can change your site's language and edit your units also. And as you can see here, you can change the site's language and edit the units. So that's it guys for these sections. Let's go back to the overview and let's proceed to the editing phase by clicking on the edit site button. And here we will just need to give it between 15 seconds and 10 seconds to load, so it will not take much of time. So here, as you can see, it's loading. Just give it a few more seconds. And here, as you can see, the store is loaded here, and here in your right you have the pages that you have in the store. As you can see, you can click on one of them to edit it. And here, as you can see, you have the navigation drop down, the mega menu. You will need to upgrade your plan from the free one to the paid version to edit this one. Edit links also if you want to customize the layouts and colors, background, content, and so on. And that's it for the header. And you can do the same also with this other pages, like if you want to change the placement of one of them, or if you want to duplicate it by clicking on duplicate, and also if you want to delete it by clicking on the delete button. You'll be able to delete it if you want, if not, just cancel. And also you will be able to hide the section. As you can see, we hide the main banner, and then we will show it again, as you can see. And here, if you click on the plus button, you can add a new section, page, item, or category. And also if you click on the site's design, you will be able to change the style that you have. So just click on change style, and you will be able to choose one of these styles, as you can see. And let's go back, click on this one. And here also, if you want to add an image to be your logo, just click on add image. If you want to change colors also, and if you want to change fonts, shape, and so on. And here you have the site's elements. If you want to change these elements, you will need to upgrade your plan from the free one to the paid version. So that's it guys for today's video. I hope you found it useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.